Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about Eduaide AI. This is a lot like some of the other tools I've recently gone over in that it's AI generated, it's prompt based, and it's going to save teachers a lot of time. Let's check it out. All right, so here's the Eduaide dashboard. What you can see is the content generator in the middle, and there are different parts of a lesson that you can kind of select where you want to work within. So planning, information objects, independent practice, cooperative learning, gamification, and questions. I'm going to start with the planning piece. My first one that I'm going to go over is called Lesson Seed. And this is just a lesson outline with a range of different techniques and strategies that's going to go with it. So I select that one, and then we have to go down and we have to type in some type of keyword or key topic. I'm going to go with the one that I keep going with lately, which is photosynthesis. We can enhance our keyword by clicking the enhance button, and what it's going to do is kind of give you the topic in a more lesson planning like format, and we're going to hit add to the workspace. All right, so this is our workspace over here. It's going to give objectives, prior knowledge, cue set 1, 2, and 3, and some direct instruction strategies. So this is all within our workspace. So this is kind of like our lesson plan. All right, we could go to another one, which is a choice board generator. So as long as we keep going over, you can see all the different ones. There's a CER, which we'll go over later, but this is what a choice board looks like. Now we're still keeping the same topic and keywords here, and I'm going to add that to the workspace as well. So I added it to the workspace over here, and as you can see, it's giving suggested different ways of going over this material in a choice board fashion. So you could either just take this as it is as a list, or you could take all these ideas and put them to a tic-tac-toe board or something along those lines. All right, I'm going to get rid of this and this. Now let's go and try a CER, claims evidence reasoning activity here. And we're going to go ahead and add that. This is our third tool that I like to use in here, and it gives the scenario. It gives you a little bit of data, and then it asks you to write a claim, evidence, and reasoning for that area. This is actually going to give you an example. If you want the students to figure this out, you can kind of get rid of everything that's underneath it. I might show them this the first time we do it, just so they have an idea of what I'm looking for, and then I might give them a different topic to work on within photosynthesis. All right, so that's the third one. We have another one, which is an escape the room, which is in gamification. So I'm going to go ahead and go there, and let's give this one a shot. We'll go down, gives the title and everything, what you're going to need to accomplish the escape the room, and then some instructions with some descriptions. So really, this is great for giving you ideas on how to gamify. It's still going to take some prep work, but it's going to allow you to gamify everything, which is very, very cool. The last one I want to go into, and before I do that, you can see the different types of gamification tools that are in there that are useful. But what I want to do is go into the questioning, and I know there's a lot of great questioning tools out there, but this one is kind of cool too. I like the scenario-based one, so it gives you a little bit more of a story that allows them to think different or deeper into things. There's discussion prompts, true and false, multiple choice, all that good stuff. But I'll click on the scenario-based one, and we will go ahead and add this to our workspace. So it's given a scenario, and then it's going to, you basically just pass these scenarios out, and you have students work within these scenarios. So these are just 5 of the tools that are in here. You can go through and kind of play around with it, but Eduaide AI is definitely a tool that saves teachers time, and it allows you to differentiate in between the grade levels and things like that, and pick different standards and topic areas. But the one thing I really like is this enhance. So you got to check all that out. Check out these tools. Eduaide.ai saves teachers a lot of time, and it's definitely highly recommended from Got Tech, the podcast. Enjoy.